and my cousin.
Yeah.
What up? So we're just gonna film a video I filmed earlier. So I'm just in his house. I'm sleeping over.
House.
Yeah. So yeah.
My house.
So yeah. So we're just shooting a video, a slamming video. Come check it out. Check out his channel, and because we're gonna make it on his channel, and make sure you subscribe. Peace.
Oh yeah, give me my friend.